So let's see the different. So let's see what kind of muscles that get inserted on the greater trochanter. And here you can see that this is the greater trochanter, and this greater trochanter has got the few surfaces. That's the anterior surface, and here in this part, this is anterior surface, and then we have here this lateral. So anteriorly gluteus minimus gets inserted here. So on the anterior surface, gluteus minimus, and on the lateral surface we have gluteus medius. Okay, so on the anterior surface, gluteus minimus, and on the lateral surface we have gluteus medius. And then on the superior border of the greater trochanter, and that's the superior border. On the superior border of the greater trochanter, we have piriformis muscle, and if you see on the posterior medial aspect, here you can see that's the posterior medial surface of the greater trochanter. Here 4 muscles get inserted, and they are in order from superior to inferior. From superiorly, we have superior gemellus muscle, and then after that there is second muscle, which I cannot share here. I cannot share, but still you try to remember that the second muscle which gets inserted on the posterior medial aspect of the greater trochanter, and that's the obturator internus. And then we have inferior gemellus, and then the fourth is obturator externus. So the 4 muscles, they are in order from superior to inferior. Here you can see there's the obturator externus, and here was in fact this is the greater trochanter, and here there's the lesser trochanter, and in between them there is intertrochanter crest. And I said between the intertrochanter crest, at the middle of the intertrochanter crest, there is a bony elevation that's called quadrate tubercle. So here is the quadrate tubercle, and the muscle that gets inserted on the quadrate tubercle is the quadratus femoris. Okay, so quadratus femoris and gets inserted on the quadrate tubercle. If you see at the lesser trochanter, here this is the lesser trochanter. At the lesser trochanter we have psoas major muscle. So psoas major muscle gets inserted on the lesser trochanter. Alright, so these were the few muscles that get inserted on the proximal part of the femur, and they are anteriorly we have, this is gluteus minimus. Laterally we have gluteus medius, and then we have at the superior border of the greater trochanter we have piriformis muscle, right? And then at the posterior medial aspect, here you can see this posterior medial aspect, we have 4 muscles from superior to inferior. The first is superior gemellus, then we have obturator internus, and after that we have inferior gemellus, and then the fourth is obturator externus. And then on the quadrate tubercle we have quadratus femoris muscle, And then at the lesser trochanter, here's the lesser trochanter, we have we have psoas major muscle. Okay,